So look at this cookie.
Let mine.
Which cookies do you want to give to him?
I have one cookie.
You can have one, but which one do you want to give to Santa?
Him.
This one? You want to give him to Santa?
And have this one.
You want this one? Do you want to give Santa one more?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Or this one
Want
smaller?
to eat this?
You can. Okay, and then we'll leave this for Santa. What about milk for Santa?
Okay.
We should get some milk for Santa, right?
Ollie, what are you doing?
I'm eating a cookie today.
And what is Mommy doing?
Mom, maybe make a cookie
For who?
Ooh.
for Santa.
Nice.
Why? Is Santa coming here in the morning? He's coming tonight, huh? Okay, come on. Should we leave a note for him? Okay, come on. Where do you want to put it? You want to put it by the Christmas tree? Where should we leave it? Should we leave it on... Should we leave it here for Santa? Okay. Maybe we want to write a note?
Okay.
Okay, I'll write a note and you can put it on his plate, okay?
This is for me.
That's a special one, huh? Careful, don't knock it over.
This is for me.
I don't know. What's in that cookie? Are you excited? Yeah, me too.
Mama. This Mama go.
Mama's going to get some paper and pens so you can write a little letter to Santa. What are you writing?
This is a note to Santa. So that he knows that those milk and cookies are for him. From Oliver and Lucas.
Hi.
Okay. Here, I'll show you this note. And we can leave it, okay? For Santa.
What you looking for, Ollie?
I'm looking for Wilson.
Here, Ollie, come on, let's put this note here for Santa Claus. Come on. He's gonna come. He's gonna come tonight, and he's gonna be so hungry. He's gonna be so hungry because he will be going from house to house.
Hey, look.
Oh, that's so cute. Hey, where do you want to put the note for him?
Right here.
Right here with the cookies?
No, right here.
Oh, okay. We'll put it right here. And like that? Okay.
What's it say?
What's it say, Ollie? It says, for Santa from Oliver and Lucas. Come over here.
Tatay.
Come here.
Tatay.
Let's tell Tatay. Say Tatay.
Tatay.
Who are
Hi.
these cookies for?
Santa.
Santa. Ooh. Ooh.
Don't fall over, guys.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Then you can take a picture. Let's put our heads in it, ready?